Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, a quick look at used to talk about something that we did often in the past, but we don't do now. I used to play tennis a lot, but I don't play very much now. Or, my friend David used to spend a lot of money on clothes. Now he can't afford it. We also use used to for things that were true but are not true anymore. That building over there used to be a cinema. Now it's a furniture shop. Or, I used to have thick curly hair. Now I haven't. English grammar, used to, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.